Market's officially open for the day. We are watching Sava, hoping for a nice pullback. We just took a big dump before the market opened, all the way from $9 down to $7. So, I am going to watch my scanners. Only way I'm taking a position on Sava, it's gotta break 7, which it's doing right now, and I need to see a big pullback. I'd really like to see 650. Don't know if we're going to get it. Probably not. But fired up the recorder just in case. Oh, goodness. I'm still a little tired, but I got my coffee going. I'm awake enough to feel like I can trade properly. And I'm just being patient right now. Market's been open 1 minute. We're watching Sava for the pullback. And if we get it, we'll go long for hopefully a nice bounce back up into the 7s. So let's see what we get. I'm just gonna kind of sit here in the background and tell you guys my thoughts. So I'll try to give you guys a little idea of what I am watching. I'm watching the chart. You know, $7, 650 area looks like a nice support. You see all this buying pressure, or consolidation area broke out. So there should be some people holding here, which should give a nice support. Would love to see a big wash. I call a wash a big dip into this area. I like to buy the big dips because I normally get a nice bounce back up very quickly. And I am unfortunately not a very patient person, so I like to get my gains within 5 minutes usually. So if it breaks out above 750 right here, we might see a big push. And then my plan will change. But as of right now, I have absolutely no trade on this stock. It can push straight up to $9 right now, and I don't care, because I only have 2 strategies, and right now this consolidation play is not one of them. Basically, I typically try to react to what the stock does. I don't try to predict what the stock is going to do. So right now, it's pushing up to 750. It's rejecting. It's bouncing off 7. So it's kind of just consolidating in this area. So once it picks a direction, then I'll formulate my plan around that. You see, all the way from 750 to $7, just like that, consolidating. All right, we're breaking down. Starting to like it a little bit more for a washout long. Washout long play, I always use the 9 or the 20 EMA as my profit target. We've got the 9 EMA at about $7.20 right now. I like to see at least 20-25 cents worth of profit potential, which we have at this exact moment. Let's see, here we go. I'm going to focus, looking at watching 650 for a potential entry. 650 area. Now, I'm watching level 2. And what I want to see is these numbers get closer to 650, because that's where I want to enter. And I'm literally just focusing on this number right here. Out of my peripherals, I'm watching the tape, watching the colors. So I'm mainly just focused on the green and the red, and I'd like to see a big drop quickly, lots of red on the tape, just like I'm seeing right now. And then once we get towards 650, I'd like to see this tape light up green. Lots of green, confirmation. Boom, I buy as quickly as possible. My stop will be the low of the previous candle or the candle that I enter on. Let's see what happens. Unfortunately, it's just not dipping as quickly as I would like. See, we're bouncing. And one of the most important things is to get that good entry for that best risk reward. And yes, I could enter right now. It could bounce back up to 7 and I could be a little bit disappointed. Or I could, you know, not enter, I should say, and then it'll bounce, be a little disappointed. But the risk reward's not there. In my mind, that's FOMOing. It's a habit I don't want to get into. So I'm just trying to be patient. If this moment comes, which it looks like it could be coming, then I'll enter. Here we go, 659, 57. Come on. Come on, keep coming. A little bit lower. Come on, baby. Watching level 2. Watch this area. Watch. As soon as I see my entry level flash, I'm in. As long as the tape looks good. Oh. Low 650s. Low 650s. Come on, baby. Waiting for a pullback. It's slowing. Looks like it maybe wants to hold. Alright, we're long. 657 entry. And there we go. It's exactly what. See? Now, I FOMO'd a little bit. I did. That last pull was. That was prime. That was perfect right there. But I FOMO'd. No, target's going to be 680s. Okay. All right, the low of this candle is 44. So at 43, I'm out for a loss. So right now, I'm only focused on my stop loss. 43, 43, 43, 43, 43, 43, 43. No 43 on the tape yet. Still watching for it. Could very easily pull back, but if we bounce, I can get a little win out of it. I'm only focused on my stop right now. 43, 43, 43. Boom. There's a little something, something. I don't like my entry. Just put a stop at break even. Really like to see this thing bounce up to the 680s right now. Okay. Here we go. 680. I'm going to make a range order. All right. Now we just wait. My high price 77. Let's see. Still 77. I still see potential for 77 to hit. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Do it. Do it. Watching level 2. Watching this. Because if I see any numbers over 77, it's going to sell me for the win. Granted, in small size. Hindsight. Wish I had more size. But come on. Come on. 74. Need 75. There it is. Boom. Out. Okay. That's the washout long.